Welcome to our guide on how to grow a garden that maximizes profit in 2025. Today, we're diving into the world of profitable gardening and how you can turn your green thumb into a lucrative venture. Let's take a moment to analyze current market trends. As demand for fresh produce continues to rise, understanding what crops are in demand can help you plan your garden effectively. High-yield vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce are staples for any home garden. Let's discuss their benefits and how they can contribute to your overall profits. Don't overlook herbs. Basil, mint, and rosemary are not only easy to grow, but also have a strong market presence that can translate into profit. Now let's talk fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, and even dwarf fruit trees are fantastic options for any gardener looking to diversify their crops. Have you considered growing exotic crops? Saffron, goji berries, and specialty mushrooms are all the rage and can fetch high market prices. Embracing sustainability and organic gardening methods not only improves your yield, but also appeals to an increasingly eco-conscious consumer base. To maximize your profits, effective marketing strategies are essential. Farmers markets and online sales platforms can significantly boost your reach. Finally, let's explore some tips for maximizing land use. Crop rotation is key to maintaining soil health and increasing overall yield. Now that you have the tools and strategies to succeed, it's time to build a long-term investment plan for your garden. Happy gardening!